Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to add kit subscribers in Google Sheets and send WhatsApp messages using AiSensy. So I'm managing an e-commerce store and I'm promoting my business with the help of an email marketing application by creating multiple marketing campaigns, that is Kit. So I want that as soon as a new subscriber will be added in my Kit account, automatically the subscriber should be added in Google Sheets as well. I want to create a record of the subscribers and I also want to connect with that subscriber through WhatsApp. So for sending the WhatsApp messages here, I'm going to use AiSensy. So how we are going to automate this long process? For this, we will have to set up the connection between Kit, Google Sheets and AiSensy, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation for your business step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically add Kit subscribers in Google Sheets to create a record, and also to send automated WhatsApp messages to each of the subscribers with the help of AiSensy. So here I am managing an e-commerce store and I want to promote my business by creating multiple marketing campaigns. For managing my email marketing, I am using Kit, that was earlier ConvertKit. And here my objective is that whenever on my website a person is going to visit, they are going to submit the sign-in form which I have created with the help of Kit. Then I want to capture the details of that particular lead and I want to add the details in my Google Sheets so that further I will be able to create a systematic record of all these leads, all these subscribers. And further, to each of the subscriber, I also want to send WhatsApp messages to connect with them quickly and to tell them about my business, my products and the offers. Okay, this is a long process and I cannot do it manually every time. That whenever someone signs up for the email, I could not add the details manually every time in Google Sheets and I could not type the message every time to send them on WhatsApp. So I'm going to automate this entire process. I will have to build the connection between Kit, Google Sheets and AiSensy through which I'm going to send the template message to my subscribers. Alright. To automate this process and to build this connection, we are not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills, but you will simply use Pabbly Connect. That is an amazing automation and integration software. Pabbly Connect helps us to build a connection between our work applications without any coding and any programming skills very easily to automate all our daily repetitive tasks. So let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button. It will create a free new account for you just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on the dashboard, we will find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to the workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Add Kit subscribers in Google Sheets and send WhatsApp message using AiSensy. After giving the name to my workflow, I am going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, I am going to select a specific folder which I have created for all the automations related to email marketing. So here, this automation which I am going to create is definitely related to the email marketing which I want. So here, I have selected the specific folder and then we'll click on create. As we have done that, a screen is open in front of us and the screen contains two windows, trigger and actions. This is basically a blank workflow which we have to fill. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say the building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that as soon as a subscriber will be added in Kit through the form submission, the form which I have created and attached on my website with the help of Kit. So I want to add the details of that subscriber in Google Sheets. So let's suppose we are going to take Kit in trigger and Google Sheets in action. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the Kit subscriber is added, then only the details will be recorded in Google Sheets and not before that. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. To start with the workflow, first of all, we will go towards our trigger step and we will select Kit over here as our trigger application. One more thing I have to tell you once again, that Kit is the new name of ConvertKit. Alright, so Kit was earlier ConvertKit. So we are using the same ConvertKit application which is changed as the name of Kit. Now we are going to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. We have multiple events over here: new form subscriber, new purchase, new subscriber, etc. On the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, so you have to select that specific event over here. Because I want to create the subscriber with the help of this sign-in form which we have created, therefore I am going to select my trigger event as new form subscriber. So it is going to trigger when a submission occurs via a specific form. I have selected that, and now as we have done that, let's click on Connect. To build this connection, we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. So first of all, you have to keep in mind that you are already logged into your Kit account, and then you have to move forward. If you already have an existing connection, you can go with that. To create a new connection, I'm going to take you towards add new connection, and here we have to enter the API key and the API secret. We have the instructions given over here to get these details. In order to get these details, it is saying that you can find the above keys by logging into your Kit account. After login, go to account settings. So I'm going to take you towards my Kit account first of all. So here we are on our Kit account. Let's go towards the profile section from top, and over here we have the option of settings. So this is account settings basically. After coming on the settings option from the left side, when we'll scroll down, we will see the option of developer. Here let's select it. After coming on developer section, we have the API key and the API secret. So first of all, let's copy the API key and we'll paste it over here. So let's copy the API secret as well and we will paste it over here. Alright, done. This is API key and the secret. Let's click on save. As soon as we have done that, the connection is built successfully between Kit and Pabbly Connect. Now you have to select the specific form on the submission of which you want to capture the response. So here, which form you want to use in order to create the subscribers in your Kit account. I have created the subscriber form and this is only a single form which I have created. So on the submission of this form only I want to capture the response, that too instantly. So let's click on save and send test request button. It is showing waiting for response. This means that now when we will do the test submission by submitting this form, the response is going to be captured. So what I will do, I will just open this form which I have created in a new tab and I'm going to submit it. So when I'm going to enter some dummy details just to submit this form so that the response could be captured as a subscriber. So let's say the name of the person who is signed in by submitting this form is new person. Let's say the email of this person is newperson807@pabblytudes.com, and let's say the mobile number of this person is. Alright, let's submit the form. And over here we can see that the form is submitted. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. As the form is submitted, here the response is already captured. In the response we have received all the details. Here first of all we have received the state of the subscriber, that is inactive. Here we have the subscriber ID which is going to be unique for each and every subscriber. Then we have the first name of the subscriber, the phone number, the last name, their email address and the date and time at which this subscriber is added. This means our connection between Kit and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now every time a new subscriber will be added by submitting the form, then automatically the response is going to be captured with all the details of that subscriber. So let's go and check the subscriber in Kit as well. We'll go towards the subscriber section. Let's refresh this page once. And over here we can see that yes, a new subscriber with the name as new is recently added with all the details. We have the email address, phone number and the name. This means our connection is absolutely successful. And now once we have seen the response, we want to create a record in Google Sheets of this subscriber. Okay, so for that now we have to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. I've already created a separate spreadsheet with the name as new subscribers. So I want that as soon as a new subscriber will be added in my Kit account, automatically the response of that subscriber should be recorded over here with all the details. So just their name, their email and the mobile number in these systematic fields. Okay. So for that, we'll build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So let's go towards our action step. Our action application over here will be Google Sheets. So let's select that. Then we have to select the action event. So our action event will be add new row, because I want that whenever a new subscriber will be added in Kit, the response of that subscriber should be recorded in my Google Sheets in the form of a new row. As we have done that, now we'll click on connect to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. You can see I'm already logged into my Google Sheets. Now I'm going to go towards add new connection. In case if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. To create a new connection, you have to click on sign in with Google. You have to select your account over here. And then you have to provide the permission to Pabbly Connect in order to access your Google account. Let's click on allow, as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. As we have done that, the authorization has become successful and the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is already built. So let's move forward towards entering the details in these fields to create a record over there successfully. So first of all, you have to select the spreadsheet name, in which spreadsheet you want to create the record. So you can see I have a list of spreadsheets over here. The name of my spreadsheet in which I want to create a record is new subscribers. So I'm going to select the same over here. As we have done that, now we have to enter the details in other fields. So here, after selecting the spreadsheet name, the sheet is already selected, as you can see. Then we have to enter the first name, last name, email and the mobile number. So one by one, we will enter the details in these fields also. These are the same fields which we have as a column in our spreadsheets. Okay, so let's start with the first name, where we are going to enter these details from. We have already received these details of the subscriber in our earlier response. So instead of entering the details manually, we will simply map the data over here. We have the first name field. So here, the first name is given. Let's select that and it is mapped. When we map the data like this from the previous step, it becomes dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So this means every time a new response will be captured from Kit account for a new subscriber, automatically all the details which we are going to map in these fields are going to replace with the new data of that new subscriber. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process of creating systematic record in Google Sheets for each of the subscriber. In a similar manner, let's map the last name as well. Instead of this mapping, if we will enter the data manually over here by copy and pasting or by typing, then it will become static and it will not replace. So the workflow will get stuck then and we will not be able to automate the process. Therefore, mapping is very important. In the similar manner, now we are going to map the email as well. So here we have the email of the subscriber and then it is asking us a mobile number. After entering all the details, let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have received the response that is saying that the range is updated successfully in the Google Sheets. So here we have the range which is updated with the data. So I'm going to take you towards my Google Sheets now to check whether the record is created there successfully or not. And yes, over here the record is successfully created. We have the first name, last name, email and the mobile number. This means our connection between Kit and Google Sheets is absolutely successful. Now further, after creating the record, I also want to send WhatsApp message to each of these subscribers. So for that, now I'm going to use AiSensy. I have already created a template for sending messages in the personalized format to each of the subscriber. And now I'm going to build the connection between AiSensy and Pabbly Connect to send this message automatically. So over here, our next action application will be WhatsApp by AiSensy. Let's select that. Then we have to select the action event. What you want to perform, I want to send the template message. So I have selected that. Let's click on connect. To build this connection, again, we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you have the existing connection, you can go with that. I will show you how you have to create a new connection. To do that, you have to go towards add new connection. You have to enter the API key. How you're going to get this key? For that, you have to go towards your AiSensy account. From the left side, we have the option of API keys under manage section. So let's go towards it and over here we have the API key. So let's copy it, we'll move back and quickly paste it. Done. Let's click on save. In a similar manner, you have to build this connection. Then we have to enter the details in these fields to send the message. So first of all, it is asking us the campaign name. As I told you, I have created a template for sending the messages to my clients, to my subscribers. So here I will have to link that same template with a live campaign. And then I will have to enter the name of that live campaign over here in Pabbly Connect so that we will be able to send the message. So I will tell you exactly what you are supposed to do. So here, this is my template. You can see this is the preview of my message. Hi, welcome to Urban Elegance. Urban Elegance is the name of my e-commerce store, let's say. Thank you for joining us. We are thrilled to have you on board and can't wait to share exciting updates, offers and exclusive deals with you. Keep an eye out for our latest collections and news. Got any questions? Feel free to reply here. We are just a message away. Best regards, the Urban Elegance team. So this is the preview, and you can see I have used a variable in the place of name. So variables make the data dynamic. That means because I have used variable in the place of name, so this means automatically with each and every new response, according to the name of the subscriber, this name is going to replace. And in this way, I will be able to send this WhatsApp message to each of my subscribers in their personalized format along with their names. So in the similar manner, here I have just used a simple variable that is for name, but you can use as many variables in your template according to your choice as you want. Okay. After you have completed the template, it will be approved, and once it is approved, then you will be able to link it with the campaign. So now in front of you, I'm going to launch a new campaign. From the left side, you can see the option of campaigns. After coming over here, let's click on this launch button. We will select the API campaign, and you have to first of all provide a name to your campaign. So let's say I'm going to give the name as new kit subscribers. Okay, according to the purpose I have given the name. Now we have to link this campaign with the template which we have created. So here, this is the template name, kit subscribers. You can see when I've selected it, here we can see the preview, and now we have linked our template with the campaign. So let's set the campaign live. We'll go towards the campaign section, and here the campaign is ready. So let's quickly copy the name of this campaign. From here, we'll move back towards Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Done. Now the next it is asking us the mobile number to whom you want to send this message. You have to enter the mobile number of the receiver of the message. The receiver will be the person to whom we are sending. So I want to send this message to the subscribers of Kit. So here in the response, I have already received the phone number, or we can say the mobile number of this particular person. I have mapped that, and now it is given in the instructions that you need to enter the mobile number along with the country code. So I'm going to enter the country code manually. Okay, because I reside in India, so the country code is +91. According to your country, you can enter the country code over here of your mobile number. Then here we have to enter the username. Who is going to receive the message? The receiver is the subscriber. So I'm going to use the name of the subscriber as a user. I will first of all map the first name, a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Then if you want to enter the source of this lead, you can enter it over here. You can enter the tags as well. We have the template parameter. That is very important. In this field, we need to enter the variable's value. So whatever variable you have used in your template, you need to enter the values for each of them. Because currently I've only used one single variable in my template, that is for name. So here in the place of template parameter, I'm going to enter the first name of the subscriber. In case if you have used more than one variable, so how you're going to enter the values for each of them? You will map a single value. The first value, you will use a comma, a space, and then you will map the second value. In the similar manner, you will enter multiple values. Along with the message, if you want to send any media or document to your subscribers, you can also enter the document URL over here and the file name. Okay, now I do not want to send the document, so I'm just going to click on save and send test request button. As soon as we have done that, the response is captured and it is saying true, the message is sent. So let's go and check on this WhatsApp number whether the message is received to this person or not. And yes, over here we have the WhatsApp message. It is saying, hi New. New is the first name of the subscriber. As you can see, welcome to Urban Elegance. Thank you for joining us. So this is the entire message. So systematically the message is also received. This means our connection is absolutely successful between Kit, Google Sheets and WhatsApp by AiSensy. So what we have done in this workflow, we have built the connection between Kit, Google Sheets and WhatsApp by AiSensy in such a way that every time a new subscriber will be added in my Kit account, automatically the details of that subscriber will be recorded systematically in my Google Sheets. And also WhatsApp message will be sent instantly to that same person, informing them about my business, thanking them for the response and telling them about the offers. Okay. So once we have completed this workflow, we have completed this integration. Let's test this workflow once again. I'm going to go back towards the form which I have recently created. I'm going to refresh it, and with some other details, I'm going to once again submit it. As soon as you will create a subscriber with this form, automatically the record of that subscriber will be created over here in our Google Sheets, and also the message will be sent. So let's get started. Let's say the first name of this new subscriber is favorite person. Let's say the email is favorite@pabblyconnect.com. I'm going to enter a phone number as well, and I will submit this form. So the name of the subscriber is favorite person. As soon as you have done that, now I'm going to take you towards Kit once again. We will refresh the page in subscriber section, and you can see that yes, a new subscriber is recently added with the name as favorite. When I'm going to open the subscriber, you will find all the details over here: first name, last name, email and phone number. Now I'm going to take you towards Google Sheets. And here we can see that yes, automatically a new record is created with the name as favorite person, the email and the mobile number. Now let's go and check on WhatsApp whether the message is received for this particular person or not. And yes, here we can see that the message is received. This time the message contains the name of the subscriber as favorite. In this way, we will be sending customized and personalized messages to each of our subscribers. So I hope this automation is clear to you. It is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.